Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Hi, so in this video we are going to solve this Excel formula challenge, even or odd license plates. So you can download the file by clicking on this download button. So once it's downloaded, I'll open this. So basically the challenge is that we need to separate number plates based on some rules, either it's odd or even. We have some condition here to be odd or even. So allowed to enter one odd days of month. So if ends with odd number, last digit is odd. This last digit can be at the last one or it can be anywhere. Okay, so like for this one the last digit is actually 3. We have 4 before this 3, so this last digit is 3. So this is odd days number plate, and this is even, so this is even days number plate. And if we don't have any digit, then this will be on the odd days. So that's the rules. So I think if we can identify that if it's a word, then we don't need to validate this even, because if it's not odd, then it will be even. Okay, so let's try this, and I'll create a lambda out of this. I'll just grab one number plate from this section. Now, so this is our input, so this is plate number. Now I'll just split this by each character. So for that, mid, and then this is the text start number. For this part I need sequence, and then I need this length of this. Okay. And then number of character is 1. It will just split all of this to characters, so that is 2 chars. We get these characters. Now I need to find the last digit, so I can say okay, last digit, and this will be reduce function. Initial value is empty, and array, so that is this particular array. We need to pass a lambda out of this, and this is going to be final value and current char. So the condition is that if is number value, use this value function to this current char, so it convert to a proper value. And if this is a number, then we need to get that number, right? So that is going to be this current char. If it's not, then just get the final value. So this is for lambda, this is for reduce, and I think this. So we get this 7 out of this. So the 7 is the last digit, and I can just test it with different number, like I can just pick y3 ll4 ll4 3vr. So it gives us the last digit, that is 3. And we have some number like ras, that is special, and we don't have any digit. In that case it will just say empty. So now this is last digit. Now I need to identify if it's a word or not, or if it's blank. So result, that is this final result, that is if or this one is equals to empty, or else if error, that is this one is odd, this one, then this is true. Now in this case odd, otherwise it will be even, and we get this odd out of this. As you know from this section that this should be labeled as odd, and this if error is necessary because this is not a number, so it's saying value error. Or better, I guess I can just wrap this into value. Still value error. So that's why this if error part is necessary, that if it's not any number, then it will just return value error. Now I can just say, okay, this is going to be this 3. This is still odd. I can say 4. This is even. So this is our final result. Now I need to generate a lambda out of this. Get back to you shortly. Thank you for your patience. So this is our generated lambda, and now I can just grab this and I can just save this. So Control F3 to open this name manager, new, and then if odd, even, number, plate, system, or something like that, and I can just put that here. Now I'll try to do this odd, even, number, plate, system, and it's returning all the result. It seems correct, so I'll just match with the answer provided. So I'll say x lookup value is this, and lookup in this answer key, and return this odd even part, and that is this one. I can just say, okay, is this equal to our answer? It's a true, and I do have all of this true. That means all our answer is correct. So this is our generated lambda, and I save this lambda as this name, this name. You can save in any other name, but you get the idea that we can get this in a single step instead of like this multiple step. So these steps are for generating the lambda out of this problem and divide the problem step by step. So that is all for this video. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to comment. If you like my work, please subscribe. Thank you.